in traffic, stepping up and giving it away to Brown.
Look at all the movement by the defensive lineman. That creates the hole for Roethlisberger to step up into. And
deep drop. Roethlisberger to Brown. Brown out of bounds at about the 42. 2nd and 19. Tipped and caught. Harris deflected it. Brown stayed with it.
But look at the coverage, how tight it is. And that's what you just know you're going to have to do. When you play this team, the Denver Broncos need these defensive backs.
Roethlisberger to the end zone. For a touchdown over Harris. And that's the first one on Harris in 2 years.
They demand it from their quarterback.
2nd and 15. Nice snag by Brown.
A lot of plays for this Denver defense here in the second half.
Wide open. Brown for another 12. Back off the blitz. Roethlisberger across the middle. And again, he slips out of the tackle and high steps it out of bounds near the 30. First down with 3.5 to go. Fires it. Touchdown. Again, it's Brown. Antonio Brown having another monster performance.